everyone, so for today's video we're gonna do some tutorial how to book a flight in Emirates Airlines. All you need to do is go to Google and then search Emirates. Then you will see this official website of Emirates. Click that link. Then click yun na search flight. Limited operation due to regional situation. So, yun na nga. Close nyo lang yan, guys. Click search flight. Then, book a flight. So, may option yan, guys. Return ticket, one way, or multi-city. So, dun tayo sa return ticket. From Dubai to Manila. Then, choose na po yung departing time nyo. Yung date kung kailan kayo uuwi. Then, choose nyo din kung kailan kayo babalik. Then, continue lang guys. One adult and economy class. Depende sa inyo kung ano yung ibubook ninyo na flights. Business class, whatsoever. Then, lalabas na lahat ng offers ng Emirates. So, piliin nyo na lang kung ano yung gusto nyo at magkano ang budget ninyo. So, select lang yan guys. Then, kapag nakapili na kayo ng flights na gusto nyo, select nyo lang yan guys. Then, continue. Continue to passenger. Then, lalabas na. Maglalagay na kayo ng inyong details. Mr. First name and last name. Your personal details. Fill upan lang yun guys. Then, lalabas na kung magkano lahat ng total ng inyong babayaran sa Emirates. Then, I understand. Click lang yan. Check. Then, continue. Then, kung hindi kayo sure sa inyong details, pwede nyo i-review yung details ninyo guys. Para siguradong tama. Then, lalabas na yung summary. And then, lagay nyo dito yung countries. Hihingi yan ng number ninyo. Then, ang email. So, make sure lang na active ang inyong email para ma-receive nyo ang tickets. And confirmation ng inyong booking. So, dito nga pala guys, seat. Choose your seat. May bayad nga po pala dyan. Pero meron naman dyan mga libre. Piliin nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mong bayad or may libre. Depende po yun. Merong 70 to 100 dirham every chair. Depende po yun sa pipiliin nyo guys. Then after you choose your seats, continue na tayo sa payment. Dito naman ang ating payment option. In full, cash plus miles, hold your pair. So, payment in full tayo. Ito naman, choose payment options. Pay, Apple Pay, whatsoever, etc. Kayo nang bahala kung ano yung prepared nyo na payment. Then, ayan, basahin nyo lang guys yung instruction. And then, so we use Apple Pay. Then, hihingiin yan yung details ng inyong Mastercard. So, lagay nyo lang yung details ng Mastercard ninyo guys. Then, continue lang. Then, proceed. Then, confirm booking. That's all. And then, mag-i-email na yan guys sa inyo. So, nandun na yung confirm booking ninyo at yung ticket sa email ninyo guys. So, yun lamang guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, nandun na sa email ang aking ticket. Thank you for watching guys. Sana nakatulong guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the button bell for my next video. Bye!